Secondhand trauma, meaning secondhand trauma is a kind of trauma in which a person is traumatized not as a result of anything that has occurred to them directly, but as a result of some indirect link, secondhand, to a horrific event. In certain cases, this may include hearing other people's tales of trauma or engaging with persons who have themselves experienced trauma. In psychology, the term trauma refers to a long-lasting psychological harm or emotional disability induced by a traumatic or upsetting event that was very painful or distressing. This experience can also be called a trauma. Third-party trauma is a modern word that refers to indirect trauma and is derived from previous concepts such as secondary trauma and secondary traumatic stress. Additionally, it is referred to as vicarious traumatization, secondarily traumatized individuals, and secondarily victimized individuals. It is common to hear these terms used in the context of first responders and other medical professionals, mental health professionals, and people who are constantly confronted with accounts of the traumatic experiences of others, particularly those who are members of the community with which they identify.